I'm MeriJayd O'Connor, and I welcome you. Let's talk about stress. That's what I do for a living. I try to help people relieve stress and find simple ways they can do it at home. This technique is called arm hugs or hand hugs. Place your hands around your respiratory diaphragm, which you'll find right at your lower rib cage. Now, if you can't wrap your arms around your body, go ahead and get a towel and put it behind you as an extension so that you can firmly be able to create a little bit of pressure on your rib cage. Now, this is a gentle technique. You're giving yourself a hug. Think about how good that feels when you hug someone and you have nice conforming arms and you take a deep breath. So let's do that for ourselves. Let your arms wrap around your rib cage, and as you inhale, just let your hands be a soft barrier to the expansion there. Nice and easy. Inhale, hugging yourself, and exhale, letting your hands be soft and follow the exhale. Then inhale again, becoming a nice soft barrier, giving your breath, your body something to work around, work against, kind of work out some of that tension. So inhale, giving yourself a little squeeze, and then exhale, relaxing your hands, letting your hands soften. Try that one more time. Nice inhale, become a soft barrier to that expansion. Hold it there for a moment and then release. Take your hands away and relax, and notice if you feel any different. Maybe a little bit of softness. Maybe your breath comes a little bit easier. See how that goes for you. As always, be well, and I wish you much peace and love.